Yung kay Cory Aquino, ganito yan. Cory Aquino may be popular. She is popular today. Why? For losing the husband in the hands of Mr. Marcos. But what is the fundamental reason why someday, 30 years from now, we may try to balance history? Because Aquino declared land reform for the entire Philippines but exempted Hacienda Luisita, her own land. To the many, to those who really wanted to be freed from Marcos, that's another feeling, maybe of gratitude. Pero yung when she said, I would like to declare land reform in all of the Philippines, hindi niya sinali yung kanya. She exempted her. So, you quarrel, what? The one who freed, emancipated, it's an incongruity, they call it.